If I ask you which is the most important part of a human body, is it the heart or the brain? If we compare both of them, definitely the brain is the most important part of the body. LLMs also, which are also called as large language models, have a brain, and this brain is trained on a lot of information. It's trained. It's trained on lot of text, and it's able to predict the next word through this training. There are different types of brains for LLM models, and let's see few of them below. One of them is ChatGPT, the other is Claude, VI Gemini, and suppose that I give a query to ChatGPT a prompt once upon a immediately the next word which it predicts is time. Predict the words as per the training which is given to him. Example one more example is the cat sat on the mat. So it will predict what it has been trained and what is used frequently. There are different types of brains for LLM models, which we have seen earlier. Let's see which companies have created them. One of them is ChatGPT, which is a product by AI and it uses the GPT model. Next is Claude. Claude is a product by Anthropic. Then we have Gemini, which is a product by Google. And then Anthropic. So Anthropic is not the brain of LLM, but Anthropic is the company which has created one of the products, which is Claude. So ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are three different brains. Gemini created by Google, Claude by Anthropic, ChatGPT by OpenAI.